Hey guys, so I'm going to make a real quick video just to explain what I am expecting of you for this religion assessment. It's not a huge assessment. It's not going to be a whole bunch of questions and stuff. It's going to be a little bit different than you've normally done. And it's not a huge assessment also just because it's the shortest unit that we do all year. So what I am going to have you guys do, I'm sure you guys have used Venn diagrams before in class, where you have two circles and they overlap and you kind of compare and contrast things. You guys are going to be doing that, but kicked up a notch. So this is a three-circle Venn diagram, 1, 2, and 3. What you are going to be doing is you are going to be choosing 3 of the 5 main religions that we covered in this unit. So you got Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. So you can choose any combination that you would like, but I put a little thought into it because some combos are going to be a little easier than others. And you are on this sheet, you're going to label them. So label 1, 2, 3 religions off to the side. And you are going to have to try to compare and contrast the 3 different religions from one another. So if you have, I don't know, Buddhism here and Hinduism here, one thing that they have in common is they both believe in nirvana. So you could write nirvana here, or believe in nirvana. If you had, I don't know, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam here, one thing that they all have in common is they are Abrahamic religions. So you can put that right here because they all share that factor. So make sure that you're putting stuff in the appropriate boxes. If you put something in, say, this section, it means that it's something that these other 2 religions do not share with it. It is unique to just that one. So for this test, I'm expecting you to try to get about 4 things in each box. So this is going to be an open note test, so you can use all the notes and the note sheets and any of the resources that I provided for you for this. And it's going to take a little bit of thought on your end. Don't put real obvious stuff like, don't put in this middle one that they're all religions, because I mean that's really, really obvious. So it needs to be a meaningful answer for you to get the point. So again, I'm looking for 3 or 4 things in each of these sections. 4 is better. Have it detailed, have it organized, and yeah, that's what you're going to be working on for this test. Good luck.